Avalya Boi, Avalo or gooseberry is a powerhouse of vitamin C and rich in other minerals too. It supports liver function and flushes out toxins from the body. So including avalo in our diets is an utter necessity. Here is its simple traditional recipe of Avalya Boi using avalos for a yum tangy curry. You may use fresh, brined or dried ones. I have used brined ones. For brining, I added the cleaned avalos in water with rock salt and boiled for exactly 10 minutes. Then stored in a glass bottle when it cooled. Also added a few peppercorns to avoid fungus formation. I will be using about 5 large ones. Use more if they are small ones. Deseed them. Take 1 cup of grated coconut in a mixer jar. Add the avalo pieces. Add 4 red chilies or according to your spice level. Also add a quarter spoon of haldi. Now grind this to a smooth paste with a little water. Add this paste to a pan. Clean the mixer jar using about 1 cup of water and add to the paste. Mix thoroughly, adding more water if needed. Bring to a boil and cook on simmer for about 5 minutes. Add salt to taste. If you have added brined avalos, remember to add only if necessary. Now to add 1 cup of buttermilk and stir well.
सर्वांके केकेचे चॅनलांतूय स्वागत. आता मी शे व्हिडिओज चड केल्या नसर इंग्लिशांतूय आमगेले कोंकणी भाशेंतूय तिखसाणीचे मिठसाणीचे कुडसाणीचे रंदेई अडगई हे सगळं व्हिडिओस तुम्ही एक व्ह्यू करका आणि सर्वांके पामचे मोठे शेअर करका. व्हिडिओस लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Cook for another 2 minutes. Switch off now. Don't boil for too long after adding the buttermilk as it may split. For the seasoning, heat oil and splatter 1 teaspoon mustard. Add half teaspoon jeera and 1 red chili half. Finally, some curry leaves. Pour this over the curry and cover to let the flavors infuse. Enjoy serving with rice. As always, like, share and subscribe to this channel.